jump. Time to get dirty.
What up, buddy? Are you ready? Let's go.
Get to that RV point. Move.
That's my box.
Request immediate support here.
I read you. Here it comes.
So many good stuff.
You've got some mission updates. Review them when you can.
Which one's better? I almost killed the wall.
Request Overwatch. Grid as indicated.
Copy. Stand by.
What the heck? Don't die, I'm coming. Get the high ground, high ground, high ground, high ground, high ground.
Rally on that location.
Good job, you got him.
Contact. Sniper. Heads up.
Got a new
We got a
mission for
danger
you.
point.
Details on your map.
Gotcha. One more team, one more
Heads
team.
up. Check your map for new mission details.
Here.
Feels dangerous here. Use caution.
What the heck are you doing, buddy? I'm gonna come for you, don't worry. Where's this guy?
Contact! Enemy infantry! Got a bad feeling about that.
Good shot, buddy.
Sending intel on enemy position your way. You know what to do.
I'm out.
I blinded myself.
Check your missions.
I see no one here. Oh, he's reviving, reviving, reviving.
That area looks bad to me. Request immediate support fire.
Understood. Triple firestorm is en route. Incoming strike in your vicinity. Move.
More people coming. Gonna push this, guys.
Rally on that location.
Oh, I died. God damn it. Let's go back to the same spot and kill them all. Oh, you died to someone else.
All right, you're good to go. Sending you back in.
We're close, we're close. Let's go back.
I got enemy in sight.
Enemy 18!
Oh, we have no weapon.
You've got a new mission ready.
Where are they?
RP on that position. Burn zone's closing in. You'll be compromised if you don't move it.
Oh, my ammo finished, man. Oh my god, I suck. That was a bad game. GG's. That was a bad game. Let me reset my game, man. Something's wrong. I feel like my FPS is lower than before. All right, launching the game. We are ready to go. Our first game was terrible. Let's try again. Not ranked. We're gonna be playing duos. Duos is much more fun. Alright, we have 1 hour, 40 minutes. Push for XP. What up, Gio? Change class, engineer. Let's go engineer. Let's see our favorite weapons. Assault rifle, straight ones. Let's go with this one and see if we have better armor. Heavy, that's good. That's not good. And this is my second account, so my weapons are still not upgraded. We're gonna be playing with this bad weapons. Why my skin has changed? Oh, because my second account. Where are we going, buddy?
Go for deployment. Give 'em hell.
Yes, good spot, good spot.
Breaking off. Let's rally on that RV point. Move.
Oh, I got sandwich. This guy is low, this guy. But the other one is far away. Kill me, I'll be back. Don't worry. That's a good weapon, huh? 3 seconds. 2, 1, go!
All right, square yourself away. You're headed back in.
Move to that location.
Look suspicious. Watch yourself.
I'll get the high ground.
You got it. Strike inbound.
I think I heard footsteps. They are very scared. Don't die, I'm coming.
Mission for you. Details on your map.
Why did you die?
We're getting patered. Intel like this can make all the difference.
Request FMV over my position.
Why did you leave me alone?
Stand by.
Request ISR.
No, man, I didn't want to do that.
Roger that. Stand by.
They are playing very dirty. Where's the other guy?
Contact. Enemy infantry engaging.
The squad mate is headed back into action.
They are very pussies, man. They're coming!
Check your missions.
Hold the ground, hold the ground! And I got sandwich again.
There's a redeploy
Where are
point
you?
near Call in support if you have to.
Nice! I got shot from behind.
You've got new mission details incoming. Stand by and be ready.
I thought you got my back. Oh, we need more ammo.
You got a hostile vehicle in the area.
Let's kill this guy.
Or
Come.
take it out. You make the call.
Can't kill the tank. I have 2 bazookas. And we'll get our loadout. One guy is here. Don't die, bro, don't die.
Enemy contact in my AO! I'm out! Heads up! We got a danger point!
Cover
Good
line!
job. That's one less Vic to worry about.
Feels dangerous here. Use caution.
One more team, one more team, one more team, one more team, one more team. Behind, behind, behind. Left, 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 left. Pussies. And why everybody's focusing me?
Let's try to cut every point, folks!
Confirmed. Strike inbound.
Oh, sniper. Fuck it, man. Oh. You got smoke? You got smoke? They are far away. Man, what a bad game. What a bad game. They're very close to you. They're seeing you. You cannot make it, man. Go away, go away. They are scanning you. I see that. Controllers have so much aim assist, man. Yes, yes. When there are enemies, yes. But when there's the drone, no.
There's a redeploy point over here!
This is my second game, and I keep getting sniped all the time.
Got a target-rich environment. Stay alert.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Thank you, buddy. I'll try to go to the drop.
All right, you're good to go. Sending you back in.
Custom weapon crate marked. Got eyes on a sniper.
You've got a new mission ready.
Get a good weapon.
Hey, got eyes on a custom weapon box.
I'm scanning.
Overwatch requested on my grid.
UAV is inbound. Hang tight.
Ah. ¿Por qué? Yo no quiero comer nada. Menos cuando pides. No se pide.
Found levels to that location!
Hay huevos, hay de todo. Very close.
Cover long!
Gonna get you, buddy. Couple. Nice.
Check your missions.
Area marked. Need supplies
This
ASAP.
was a different guy.
Copy. Stand by.
Not the same team. Da-da-da-da. Ammo here. Give me one more scan, please.
Hostile machine gun in sight.
He's a camping on the
Got a
high
bad
ground.
feeling about that.
At the high ground.
That area looks bad to me!
I don't know how many are they. 1, 2.
I don't like the look of this!
Oh, fucking pussies, man. Always camping in the high ground. Ay, ay, ay. I checked your ping. I thought they run away. Come on. Yo no quiero nada. La da 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 da. La da da da. I thought they ran away. Followed this guy's ping, but they were on the high ground, not on the ping. How do you see people, man? You have nice eyes. One more guy on left, left. On your left. You cooking, man? Holy moly, look at this guy. You did great, buddy. Nice try. And what's going on? Da, 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 da. Why there are notifications but no attachments? I need to find a better weapon, man. I need better max. This time it's going to be different. I'll play a bit more careful. Customize. Change character. Oh no, no time. Wow. The match started so fast. Hello, hello.
Alright, approaching the drop zone. Hostiles are swarming the area, so expect heavy resistance. I'll
No
update you
worries,
on the
no
ground as
worries.
info comes in. Good hunting. You're greenlit to jump.
Go, go, go.
Somebody want to use this PD gun? Area marked. Need smoke now.
Roger that. Stand by.
Watch my six!
That one, careful.
Hang in there. That's it. Stay with
Alright,
me.
missions just got posted. Have a look and knock out what you can.
Come on!
Careful, get one more team here.
Nice work. That is a major
You
score.
guys in my
Way to go.
lockstep.
Roger.
Yeah.
On the
I
way.
don't like the look of this.
Heads up. Check your map for new mission details.
Here.
That area doesn't look good.
Follow me.
Ordnance inbound. Get
What's
clear.
up? We got a danger point.
Oh no, he's very low. Nice. Oh, I died. Oh, probably I died to another guy as well. Different teams.
Knock and lock. You're heading back in.
Yeah, I also died so fast.
Alright, new mission is up. Mark on your map.
Where should we go? I'm going here.
Rally on that location.
Dun, da-dum.
Request immediate support here.
Stand by. Supplies incoming.
Seeing a gear container here.
Oh, we have sniper, man.
Check your missions.
Ba-da-ba.
That is a major score. Way to go.
Go to the city.
Found over to that location.
Locator beacons
Age
are
drop.
marked. Now listen up. The more your team grabs, the quicker they calibrate. Watch your pace. The calibration won't work if the beacons move
I
too
know,
fast.
I know. Kill. Nobody's coming. Is that a weapon? Vehicle? Oh,
Enemy UAV in orbit.
Complete. Keep punching hard out there.
Enemy helo destroyed!
Looks suspicious. Watch
is it
yourself.
SMG or what is this? I don't know what is this weapon, man.
Anyone got an extra weapon?
No. There are gonna be people here. Hold this position, maybe they're gonna come.
Reposition. Move now.
Why my character is weird.
Reference waypoint. Move there now.
I saw a vehicle here.
Got eyes on enemy vehicle.
Got eyes on that Inferno. Steer clear.
They may come, they may come.
Heads up. We got a danger point.
Here comes that weapons drop.
Weapons drop? What?
Eyes on
Contact.
AT!
Enemy infantry.
Alright, let's go.
AT spotted!
Get closer. Kill them all.
That area looks
But don't die. Why they playing so far from the zone, man? They're in the end of the map. Look at this.
Contact.
Look at this.
Got a dangerous spot here.
Vehicle here.
Heads up. Hostile vehicle.
New mission is
bad
up.
feeling
It's
about
marked on
that.
your map.
I see
Enemy
him.
vehicle sighted.
There are two vehicles.
No restrictions. Cleared hot. Sparkling now.
I'm ulting them.
Missiles outbound. Paint the target until all three drop. You are danger close to an airstrike. Clear out.
Hostile machine gun in sight. Looks
There are two
suspicious.
teams.
Watch
Getting
yourself.
closer. I'm going in. What if they are teaming?
Check your missions.
Reference waypoint. Move there now.
Where are they? Wow, this guy's a runaway, man. Incredible.
Nice work. Looks
Available
like you found
shotgun
some
here.
solid intel.
Can you scan them? Are you recon?
Kick it up a notch. You've got a lot of targets out there.
There's those 4 guys here. There they go. The game has crashed. Good job. What a brilliant. Oh my god. Why? Did Windows Update finish installing? No. There is no way where this game is crashing. Let me launch the game again. Right, man. This is so bad. Are you also facing this kind of problems, guys, in Battlefield? It was crashing always before, but lately it was stable. I don't know why it got to crash again. This game sucks. We have to be able to reconnect to the game again. Doesn't allow us to reconnect. Have to start again. Brand new game. Ay ay ay. What up, Simon? Hello, hello. Hello. Okay, the mic started to work again. Bomb, bomb. I saw guys using this weapon like very fast. How do they do this? Mobility, fire. There should be something that makes the game makes this game weapon shoot faster. I don't know which is that. Fast deploy. What thing makes this weapon faster? Fire, mobility. It doesn't increase the rate of fire. How do people shoot faster?
Closing in on the drop zone. Now we need to find out what's going on, so keep comms open. You're cleared hot, so engage anything that moves. Go for deployment. Give them hell.
Let's go, buddy. Let's go and kill them all.
Reference waypoint. Move there now.
Gotcha. Goodbye, buddy.
Pushing intel on enemy position your way.
He's very close.
Know what to do.
Let's get him. Good job. Got them all. Yo. Mirtik, thank you for subscribing, buddy. Welcome. I hope you are doing great.
All right, missions just got posted. Have a look and knock out what you can.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. I got scan.
I need eyes on
Scanning.
my position.
Scanned.
Stand by. Way to hit
Oh,
Tater.
assault rifle,
Tell like this can
SMG.
make all the difference.
Oh, in front of us. Let's go.
Feels dangerous here. Use caution.
Where? He's very scared. Come on, man, he's one shot. I mean, he's the last guy. I killed one here.
Hang in there. That's it. Stay with me.
Be careful, be careful.
Let's move. Looks suspicious. Watch yourself.
Mark on your map.
Contact. Enemy infantry engaging.
Gotcha, buddy. Good job.
Watch my six.
Check your
Captain
mission.
available.
Where's the sound? What? What is the sound? You were amazing there, buddy. Good timing.
Gadget marked.
Should we go with double SMG?
All right, new mission is up. It's marked on your map.
Simon, you are in the open, Simon. Never do this. Oh, they're here.
That area doesn't look good.
I heard shot fires.
Hostile machine gun in sight.
Uh-oh. I would push this guys. Go, go, go.
Doesn't look good.
They're rezzing.
Move to that location. Heads up. We got a danger point. Eyes on the machine
They're
gun.
fighting, they're fighting, they're fighting here.
Redeploy point over there.
Check your mission.
I don't know if they are the same team or different team. One is flashed.
Coming.
Got one. Good job, man. Holy moly, we are cooking.
Area marked. Send it.
I read you. Here it comes.
Should we go sniper? Let's go. People land here.
That area doesn't look good.
Man, I heard someone landed here.
Enemy contact in my AO!
Cover me, cover me, cover me.
That heat's coming in fast. You've got the intel. Use it.
Ciao.
Get to that therapy point! Move! Hostile 80.
Far away.
Move to that location!
Come. They're rising, they're rising.
Bad to me.
Follow me.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map. Kick it up a notch. You've got a lot of targets out there.
I'm out! Watch my feet!
Oh, you killed one. Nice. You are very dangerous. You killed one and finished him already. What a guy. What a soldier. There is no way he can revive his teammate, so he has to move. Bring his teammate. Here, I see.
I don't like the look of this.
You wanna finish him? I'm going in.
Heads up. Check your map for new mission details.
It's a different team, full team.
Bound over to that location. Contact sniper!
Careful. Got one. Got them all. Yes.
You're out of second chances. Light them up and stay in the fight.
This one looks cleaner. Timon, are you Mir? Is your YouTube name is Mir? Here, I see one. I see one.
Contact! Enemy infantry!
Let's go there. There's a drop and airdrops.
Hostile machine gun!
Let's hold this, guys. There are two
I
teams.
don't like the look of this.
This doesn't
Check your missions.
look like a good idea, but I will do that.
Enemy helicopter! That area looks bad to me. Contact! Sniper!
I think we can easily kill these guys. They are easy target. I'm going for this airdrop.
Custom weapon box marked.
Oh, oh, oh. They are seeing us.
Make your way to that point!
Ooh, this guy's gotta be cheating. Leave me. This guy's, I think they are cheating. Believe me. I believe these guys are cheating.
You're out.
I'm
Better luck
glad that I
next time.
died to them. Who's gonna watch them? Very, very suspicious. I don't know who killed me. Look, he's wall hacking. It gotta be this guy, the other guy, any other guy. This guy gotta be cheating. How can I see their level?
Half the fight's behind you. Time to step it up.
Where do we see their level? How can we see this guy's level? Look, he's going to the left side. It's like there's someone here. I knew it, man. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. These guys are cheating. I knew it. This is the first cheat I ever seen in Battlefield 6, by the way. Do you see him? Buddy, do you see the guy? Any error guy? I told you he's cheating. I knew it. He doesn't even look, man. He doesn't even look. He's watching already. He's watching already. He's watching already. Look. But he's so stupid. He doesn't know how to go there. He's very stupid. He knows there's someone here.
Mission board is clear. Neutralize threats and stay in the fight. Nothing you can't handle.
Yep. He's going for another one. He's seeing people through the mountain because he has wall hack. Yeah. He's getting close. They are on the right side. Yeah, he's ready. He's ready. He's going for other one. He's going for other guys. He doesn't check right side, left side, okay? He doesn't check left side because he knows everybody's place. Look. He's pre-firing. Yeah, shoot the wall, shoot the wall.
Target down!
I wonder if the other guy is also cheating. Cheating? Let's check. Okay, this guy. I think this guy's not cheating. Yeah, he's cheating.
Stop it!
Don't stop now.
Yeah, both are cheating. Look, his aim locks automatically. Oh, you should have died, dude. Because you guys suck. Let's report this guy as well. Even this guy is not cheating, he's playing with the cheater. Yeah, he's cheating. He has wall hack. Yep, they are cheating. The way he aims is very weird, dude. Look. Yeah, he has wall hack. At least he has wall hack. He knows everybody's place. There's a team on the right side, yes. No, your cheat doesn't work for this. Yeah, he knew all the time. He knew all the time. There is a team on the right side. Yes. So, confirmed. They are both cheating. And the aim automatically snaps into target. They don't even move their mouse. What a cheat, dude. Wow.
Be the last one standing.
Wow. Wow. Man, whatever you do doesn't matter. There are always cheaters, always. Yeah, they won. Unfortunately, they won. Oh my god. If we start playing the game, probably we're going to match against these guys again. Nine headshot kills, of course. Of course, man. cheaters. I hope Battlefield bans this, guys. Really fast. What was their name? Simon, you left me alone, buddy. I told you they were cheating. Warzone, do you hear me? Man, there are 2 cheaters and they are gonna be in the same lobby. We're gonna be probably die. They are hard cheating. What can we do?
Drop zone's coming up. Enemy shooters closing on target area. Don't let any of them get out of there alive. I'll send updates as needed.
Let me see their name.
Clear to jump. Go at your discretion.
Yeah, any error.
Let's rally on that RV point. Move.
Go, go, go. Oh, we are late. Let's go here.
Make your way to that point.
You have a hostile jumping onto your position.
Were they close?
Good work. Keep digging out there and secure everything you can find.
Push them. Above us.
You've got some mission updates. Review them when you can. Enemy landing near you. They can pay.
Oh, this is shotgun.
Help's on the way. Watch their back.
More ammo.
New mission available.
Come. Take this, come.
Request immediate support
Dropping ammo.
here.
Armor.
Stand by. Supplies incoming.
There's a team behind us as well. You gotta be careful.
Heads up. Enemy dropping into your area.
Let's go for this guys. They are busy. Come on, come on, come on. Don't forget, there's a guy called Any Error. He's cheating. Any error. Very close.
Watch my feet!
Heads up. Check your map for new mission details.
Gotcha.
Mission ready.
Crashed again. That sucks, man. What's wrong? Oh my god. Why this happens? Maybe we should try. Maybe we should try. Yeah, I think I'm going to revert the changes. And we were gonna be playing Battlefield in window, not full screen. Maybe that's why it's crashing. This is very bad, man. Very bad experience. My Smurf account wasn't crashing, huh? This 1 week. This is my main account and it keeps crashing. Ba-dum-bum. Ba-da-ba-bum. Man, the matches start so fast.
Alright, jump window coming up. You've got unknown shooters inbound, so consider everyone down there a threat. Stay alert for updates.
Make your way to that point!
Hello, brother.
You are green lit to jump. Time to get dirty.
Go straight down.
Listen up. Supplies found.
Go, 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 follow me.
Hostile shooter jumping into your area.
Petal, calm down, calm down. Where are you? Oh, you're so far away.
Heads up. Mission updates just came in.
wonder if there are people here. Free loot.
Solid job. Way to go.
There are footsteps. They're on me.
I don't like the look of this.
Man, where are they? I'm pretty confused. Someone has been here.
Request immediate attack.
Roger that. Here it comes.
They're probably here.
Nice work. Looks like you found some solid intel. Solid find on that intel. Keep digging for more.
I'm coming, don't die. You just came here and run away? Why this fast? Yeah, they were fighting here. Oh, I understand.
Position marked. Scale fire. Go on.
Roger. Ordnance inbound. Walk 'em in.
Are you good, buddy? I think he's getting shot. But where? I don't know. He's close.
Request immediate support here.
Roger. On the way. Your location is heating up fast. You won't be safe there for long.
Go, go, go. Two guys here.
Heads up.
Got a new
We got a
mission
danger
for you.
point.
Details on your map. Got a new mission ready.
I think one team is under us. Oh shit. No, they were camping. They were camping, man. Oh my god, these guys are so pussy. Behind you. Man, what is this game?
Cock and lock.
I'm so angry. Let's go for them, man. But they're far
Position's
away.
going to be overrun by NXT. Don't linger. Enemy landing near you. Make 'em pay.
Oh my goodness.
Friendly's waiting.
No. I can't move. Teammate is flying still. He's still flying? Where is he going? Ah, he's going for the draft. Man, you have no armor. Hope you don't die. I'm gonna save you.
Stand by to jump off. You're headed back in.
Thank you.
Last one standing.
Who killed you?
Make it count.
I'll bring you here
Get to that RV point. Move.
so you can get the airdrop as
Custom
well.
weapon box marked.
Come on, I need you.
Hostile dropping near your location.
Where?
All right, new
In front of
mission
you, be
is
careful.
up. It's marked on your map.
Very low.
Check your missions. This battlefield is still crawling with hostiles. Stay alert.
Man, this game sucks. This game sucks.
Your side's been wiped out. Don't get hung up on it.
People play this game so seriously, I swear. What up, Tomen? Man, nobody speaks.
You have unknown shooters moving on the target area. Make sure you drop them all. Get ready to jump.
Let's go, buddy.
Alright, you're good to go for deployment. Post up.
Hit the high ground. The roof.
Frag out!
New missions just got posted.
Area mark.
Have a look
Send
and
it.
knock out what you can. Message received. Smoke inbound. Heads up. Enemy dropping into your area.
Goodbye.
Got a bad feeling about that.
Good grab on that intel case.
PD weapon marked.
Give me some armor.
Those classified materials could be a game changer. Nice work.
I really want to play this shotgun. It's crazy good.
Request immediate support here.
The downside is that the ammo is very low.
On the way. Heads up. Check your map for new mission details.
Request FMV over my position.
Roger that. Here it comes.
I had one more scan. Where is it?
Heads
I'm
up,
coming,
we
coming,
got a
coming, coming,
danger
coming.
point.
Don't leave friendlies waiting. Get them back in the fight. You've got new mission details incoming. Stand by and be ready. There's an enemy combat vehicle near you. Place thermite on it and force the crew out.
What have you done, buddy?
Sending intel on enemy position your way. You know what to do.
Why did you leave?
You got an enemy vehicle in your area. Take it out with thermite if you got it.
What's going on?
Mission available.
He's recovering again. Where is he? Left side. You better run. Make it interesting. Crashed again. This game sucks, man. Come on. What's wrong? From the system. I was doing so good. Let's verify the files. Yeah, unfortunately, I don't know what's wrong. Yesterday there was no problem. Bum, bum, ba-dum, 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 bum. Ba-dum, bum. Do we try other games like Overwatch? What games do you usually play? Bum, ba-dum, 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 bum. Ba-da-ba-da-bum. Ba-dum-bum. Mm. Let's try again. La 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 la. Let's lower the graphics, maybe. Let's try again. Ghostman, hello, buddy. If I disconnect, my game crashed. Amico mio è schemo. No hay aquí nada. Yes, believe me, guys. I have proofs.
Alright, get ready. We're approaching the jump window. I need you to locate and eliminate all enemy shooters deploying across the area. I'll support in depth, so stay alert.
Let's go there. I like it.
You are greenlit to jump. Time to get dirty.
Come on, Ghost. Let's kill them all.
Let's rally on that RV.
Yeah, let's go back. Let's go back.
Make Make your way to that point.
Enemy landing near you. Make them pay.
Got one.
Request FMV over my position.
Missions just got posted. Have a look and knock out what you can. Roger, on the way.
I need you, buddy. Come here. Let's kill this guy. Gotcha. On the roof, on the roof. No, buddy.
Check your missions. Mission available.
One more team
Listen up. Squad
on the
mates
left side
back
here.
into
Final
action.
ride.
Got sniper. I hope my game doesn't crash, man. I'm so tired of this game. Only this game crashes.
Good grab on that intel case.
Seeing a free sniper rifle here.
Do you have ammo? I need some shotgun ammo. Are you medic? Ghost, do you have ammo?
We've got a new mission ready.
How do I request ammo?
Request Overwatch. Grid as indicated.
Scan them.
Roger. On the way. You got a mil-spec laptop nearby. Secure it, start the download, and pull the
Love
drive.
laptops. Gaming laptops.
Request immediate support here.
I read you. Here it comes.
Reference waypoint. Move there now.
You are so late, buddy. You are so late.
Heads up. I'm sending in a drone. Now hustle that data over to the extraction point.
Good job, Ghost. Good job. You did great job there. Great job.
Extra sniper rifle here.
Ooh, I'll take this. Ooh. Can you drop again your ammo box so we can get more ammo?
Targeting you. Keep your head on a swivel. Good job. Now start tracking the next one. All objectives
You're a mission monster.
have a track on you now. Toxic blaze inbound. Watch your route.
You're a mission monster.
Found an open
Vic.
We gotta be careful here. Very suspicious. Where are you going? I'm fighting with someone here. I need help. Come back to me.
I got spare.
You missed. Broke one. One more team behind us. Oh, they are fighting. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Got a heat spike in your area. Enemy looks like they're starting up a Vic.
Go, go, go.
This battlefield is still crawling with hostiles. Stay alert.
What is very low?
No more do-overs. This is for keeps. You've got new mission details incoming. Stand by and be ready. You're the last one standing. Make it count.
I need supporters marked.
Okay, here it comes.
Oh shit, there's one more team. No, there's no time to bring you from there. Go back, go back. And we bring you, yes. Oh shit.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
Oh, these guys are so annoying, man. Holy shit. GG's.
And force the crew out.
If you were with me, we could kill him easily, buddy. You came so late. Unfortunately. You came very, very late. What up, Stony? Ba-dum-bum. I wonder if I had smoke when I was getting shot by the tank.
Approaching the drop zone. Hostiles are swarming the area, so expect heavy resistance. I'll update you on the ground as info comes in. Good hunting. Clear the jump. Go at your discretion.
RV on that position.
Get your weapon, fast!
Monkey view container. Frag out!
You are danger close to an airstrike. Clear out.
One more team's coming.
Contact! Enemy infantry engaging!
Are you good?
Mission's updated.
on me.
No, he grenaded me here. You got this. Unlucky man.
Alright, stand by to jump off. You're headed back
I
in.
could kill him, but he broke my armor fast. Let's go here.
Rally on that location. There's a gear container right here. Oh yeah, cover me.
Check your missions.
I think there's nobody here.
Rally on that.
They're scanning us.
Contact! Enemy UAV!
This place is looted. I feel like my FPS is dropping, man. Why? Let me check something. Nothing is enabled. 60 FPS? Average? Why?
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
1 second, I'm trying to check something. Graphics. Did I enable something that windowed? I don't know why it's locked. It's locked. Full screen. I cannot make it windowed. My FPS is so bad.
Marking location for support.
Copy. Stand by.
Explosive set!
This is a good spot.
Explosive ready!
Heads up. Check your map for new
Charge
mission
right.
details.
Yeah, my FPS is so bad. Oh, on the right side.
Got a bad feeling about that.
Very close.
Enemy machine gun! Frag!
Got one here.
I don't like the look of this.
Where?
Incoming strike in your vicinity. Move.
Why you were screaming? No, it was mine.
You've got a new mission on the way. Review your briefing.
Frag out!
Enemy landing near you. Make them pay.
Got eyes on a sniper! Looks suspicious. Watch yourself.
Got a new mission ready. Inferno. Adjust course and stay clear.
Nah, he made it. He made it.
Heads up. You got a new mission incoming. Check the briefing.
Should we go for this, guys?
Contact! Sniper!
Going to revive.
Hostiles are making a move in your area. Show them how we feel about that.
Goodbye, the worst sniper. Go for them. Come on.
Mission objective marked.
Someone beat you to it, but this isn't the end. Keep pushing. Mission slipped through the cracks. You aren't done yet.
Let's go for this care package.
Custom weapon crate sighted.
Let's get the other one.
Contact! Enemy
They come.
infantry engaged.
For the care package, I guess. Very low.
Cover!
How is he alive? The last guy.
You got a target-rich environment. Stay alert. Check your missions.
Okay, let's go.
Let's rally on that RV point. Move!
Ordnance inbound. Get clear. Don't leave friendlies waiting. Get them back in the fight. It's just you now. Make every shot count.
I got you, Tony. You got sandwich, huh?
Request immediate support
Your
here!
mission is up. It's marked on your map.
Can we make it?
Stand by. Supplies incoming.
Probably. Come fast!
Redeployment downrange. Eyes alert. Weapons ready.
I think I'm going to from the first floor.
Hey, burn line incoming. Clear out while you can.
Never mind, I'm scared.
Ordnance inbound. Get clear. Check your mission.
Come. We're going to go straight.
Reposition. Move now.
You want to go get your weapons?
Stay alert. You don't want to get trapped by the Inferno.
Stupid guy died to the zone.
We've got a new mission ready.
Why did you leave, man?
You've got new mission details incoming. Stand by and be ready.
I'll get you, no worries.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map. Listen up. Your location is heating up fast. You won't be safe there for long.
Yeah, you were lucky. You were lucky, man. You were very lucky.
Step it up.
You were very lucky. Finally, there is a PC player and high level. Finally. I'm tired of playing with controllers who barely move around.
Yo, bro.
Hello.
Wait, you sound like me, bro. What's going on?
What?
You sound like me, bro. What's going on?
We are twins.
Oh, seriously, I'm high as fuck right now. You literally said something I say a lot these days. I'm tired
just
of playing on
tired.
controller. But I've switched to keyboard as well, literally like 1 month ago, bro.
Oh my goodness, man! All my teammates are controllers, and whenever I see a PC play, I feel like I'm happy.
Oh shit! You've probably been keyboard for years, innit?
Yeah, but my teammates, man, everyone is controller, and
Keyboard,
when they,
I mean not keyboard, controller. Yeah.
yeah, controllers. All my teammates are controllers, and when I see your PC logo or symbol, I felt like I'm no more alone. You know?
Come on, bro. We unite, bro. Let's get this game.
Let's
bro.
go,
Come
let's
on.
go.
That's sick. That's sick.
I
I know
feel
what you're
like
saying, bro. Controller guys are a bit like what's the word? They're like stiff. They're like rigid. They're like they can't like lock in. They can't lock in, bro.
I swear they have crazy aim. I don't know what is that,
Dropping into the target
but
area.
Yeah, the aim
it
is
feels like.
I'll point you up.
Is it aim assist?
Check everyone down there.
Yeah, they have heavy aim assist on controller.
Man, my teammate, my friend tried, and he said there's no aim assist in the game. I don't know what they do,
Dirty.
but they get something like aimbot or I don't know.
Yeah, it's like a Zim device or Cronus.
Oh, so it's
Yeah,
not
bro,
in-game assist; it's something else.
Yeah. The game assist is not too strong. It's like you can feel it. You should still be able to feel it, but it's not amazing. Like COD rotational aim assist, you know, it's crazy.
Gotcha.
I think one's on the roof still. Maybe no, bro.
Do you have a weapon? You got a gun?
Yeah, I got one. Oh,
We are getting sandwich. I'm smoking. Here.
Got a free rifle over here.
oh, there's guys in there as well.
Yeah, two teams. I just smoked. Run. Yeah, in the outside. Yeah, run away.
Nice, he's down.
One is here.
One ahead.
Yeah, no, don't go.
Yeah, what the fuck? I didn't expect that guy to be on the left. Ooh. He's so low, that guy next to you. Oof. Watch out, though. Nice, come on,
Get one. One more team. Oh my god, it's a different team. Just don't leave the house. Just don't leave the house. There are so many monsters.
No! No!
It's normal. We got sandwich. 3 teams.
Hey, we tried, bro.
You got backup coming. Team up to get the
I just
job.
wish I had one more gun so I don't have to reload.
What a spot to land, huh? Mountain.
Bro,
Oh,
I
shit.
mean, we got gifted a helicopter
Back to
though.
me.
What do you think?
Mm,
Do you not like helicopters too much?
no, I don't like it. Oh, it's looted, man. There's nothing. Let's kill these guys. I'm gonna sneak on these guys.
Figure out a way how to make your voice clearer for me.
Isn't that clear?
I think I'm.
Alright, new mission is up. It's marked on your map.
I think we should
Got
jump to the
one.
heli, bro. We should run.
Uh-oh. He's gonna revive. He's going to revive. Reviving.
I'm out. Watch my six.
Still reviving.
No way.
No. Just leave. Oh, he revived. God damn.
Yeah. Fuck's sakes, man.
Just leave.
I'll kill these guys. Oh, no ammo. Nah, these guys can die, bro.
Get
Need
your
ammo. That's the problem.
helicopter and run away.
Yeah.
Oh,
the
take your
energy
shot.
that they're giving right now is pretty shit.
They're busy.
Where should I go? Ping me a good redeploy.
On your left. You just passed by.
This one over here.
All right, as you wish.
Whoa, what the?
Oh, they are close. They are close. We're inside the house. On your left.
No, let me get there! Oh, I wanted to get the heli again, bro.
That's right. Unlucky, man. Why he said your mic is quiet? Let me see my microphone options. Push to talk. It should be okay. God bless. What's wrong? Hello, hello. Pekin.
Approaching the drop zone. Hostiles are swarming the area, so expect heavy resistance. I'll update you on the ground as info comes in. Good hunting.
Where do you wanna go?
You're greenlit to jump. Time to get dirty.
Please bring me PC players, man. I feel like I'm playing with NPCs. He's probably AFK. Bum 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 bum.
Heads up. Mission updates just came in. Enemy
Why too
comms
far?
marked. Grab munitions and flatten the site. Hostile shooter jumping into your area. That's a good grab on that intel case.
Control, precision, real time.
I need eyes on my position.
Yeah, you got it. On the way.
Launcher available.
Man, they're next to us. What the heck?
Don't let enemy shooters near that charge.
Don't die, buddy.
Need immediate smoke cover.
Copy. Stand by.
I can't help you. Come to me.
Impressive. Tied that one up nice and tight. We've got a new mission ready.
Marked. Fucking send it.
Copy. Stand by.
No airdrops. I see them right there.
Contact. Sniper. Sniper contact.
They're fighting with someone. I don't know who.
Check your missions.
I see you.
Got a bad feeling about that.
Sniper, be careful.
Doesn't look good.
On me.
RV on that position.
Oh, I thought he was on you.
New mission is up. It's marked on your map.
Let's go down.
Toxic blaze inbound. Watch your route.
I don't know where is he.
We have lower buildings, so yeah, fuck it.
Man, he's the last guy. I can kill this guy. I just don't know where he is. Oh, you wanna go for this airdrop? Holy shit.
Make this mission. Let's make this
It's all
mission.
marked. Listen
We
up.
could call for airdrop.
The quicker they calibrate.
Contact! Hostile troops sighted!
Come.
Ordnance inbound. Get clear.
No, I finished one. Last one. Why am I finishing this guy? Live long.
Stand by to jump off. You're headed back in.
Check this out. Ah, ele contou pra mim.
That was solid work. Way to get it done.
I don't know where I died.
What?
I don't know where I died. Somewhere here. I was close to you. Yeah, on my ping, He's reviving his teammate, but he's far away. With the bazooka, there's a tank. We can kill him. Long range launcher, anti-armor. Someone just landed?
There's
Looks
somebody down on
suspicious.
us.
Watch yourself.
Yeah. Oh, I hear them. Right there, right here.
Get to that RV point. Move.
Follow, follow him. We can kill these guys.
Another. Or it was you.
Yeah, come. We kill them.
New mission details incoming. Stand by and be ready. Hostiles closing in on your comms. Engage and eliminate the enemy. That's it for this mission. Shift your tactics and go again.
Whenever I select a mission, it
take it
always...
or what?
I don't know, man. Why this happens always? We had time.
What the fuck?
Sniper here.
Got a dangerous spot here.
I've got one guy on me. Mm, 150
There's a
sniper.
redeploy
Oh,
point
fuck.
near
Yeah.
you.
No.
Support if you have to.
Yeah, I'm above you. Down. Down. Down.
I'm here.
Yeah.
Come on.
It's my airstrike. I'm living here. I don't know, where are they?
150.
150. Okay. Oh, they are calling something. Come. They're in the first floor.
Crack. One
I'll be
crack.
on that position.
Oh, they're both on me, man. They are both. They are right here. One is here, one is here. Oh my goodness, this game is so hard. They are together, be careful. You can maybe rest on the left side.
Yes.
They are busy fighting. Oh, one more team. Nice. Oh, GG's.
Yeah. GG.
Well, this game is getting hard, huh? My previous account, which is Smurf, I had higher level, like 120. I didn't have these problems, man. Guys are crazy good. Ba-dum, 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 bum. Why there are so many notifications? Bullets go faster, but we cannot select this. Next round. Just don't want to see all these notifications. We have a okay, all marked, all seen. I just need a better mag for this weapon.
It's go time. Gather intel and stay alert as new missions come in. I'm counting on you.
Oh, nice. We are solo. We do better solo.
You are greenlit to jump.
We need nobody.
Help's on the way. Watch their back.
Welcome, buddy.
Heads up. Mission updates just came in.
Careful, careful, careful. There's someone here.
There's a redeploy point near you. Call in support if you have to.
I got no ammo.
Got your support request. Stay in the area until redeployment.
No way. All right. I'm done with this game.